Greetings, this is the demo for ONGC Apprentice Online Management Portal. I will guide you through the instructions for registration. This is the ONGC Apprentice Online Management Portal. The registration opens on 29/7/2020 and the registration closes on 17/8/2020. Here you have the home page. Let's go through the home page. Let's go through the instructions for the users. These are the data required before registration. Before registering for the ONGC Apprentice program, the candidate must have already registered in the online portal of Government of India to their specific trade. The candidate who have not registered yet can register through the government website provided here. These are the requirements before registration: an active email ID, an active mobile number, an education certificate, SSLC, SSC, metric mark sheet, HSC mark sheet, community certificate if applicable, PAN card number, Aadhaar card number, and a government registration number. Ensure these are with you. Please read the instructions once. I will guide you through the instructions later. After the registration, you have to log in. These are the login procedures. Please read it once. I will guide you to the login procedures later. Joining of candidate at specific work centers shall occur as soon as the pandemic of COVID-19 situation improves. The selected candidate will be intimated through their email or SMS alert. These are the stipend and selection info. Please read it. These are the important dates. Please go through it once. You may contact us only through this email ID. Here you can view the advertisement for ONGC Apprentice program. You can clarify your doubt about the apprentice program in the FAQ frequently asked questions section. Let's go to the registration page. Check the advertisement before registration. These are the basic data required for registration: valid email ID, mobile number, PIN code of the place of your residence, SSLC, SSC, metric mark sheet, age proof, work center for which you are applying, enter the district to which you belong to, enter the state to which you belong to, trade for which you are applying, eligible qualification for the selected trade, government registration number mandatory, Aadhaar number mandatory except candidates from Assam. Now let's skip over to procedure. Read it once and click the confirmation button. If you are ready, click the register button. This is the first page for registration. It contains personal details and other details. Now enter the personal details. Enter your first name, middle name and last name. Enter your valid email ID and mobile number. PWD status if applicable. Select the category you belong to. If you are general, the category certificate number not needed. Other than general, please enter the certificate number. Please select the date of birth. These are the security questions to be answered. Please enter a password. Confirm the same. We will go to the next page. Now select the work center you belong to. Now select your trade. Select the qualification accordingly. Select the state you belong to. Select the district you belong to. Then press the submit button. We have successfully registered. Now the login page will appear. Enter the email ID and password which you have registered. If you forget your password, click the option for Forget Password. This is the registration form in brief. In the first page, please check your entered data. After checking, enter Next. Please enter your personal information. Please enter your father's name and mother's name. Now select your gender. Enter your 12-digit Aadhaar number correctly. Enter your PAN number if you are having. Enter your address for communication. Enter your PIN code. Now enter the government register apprentice number. Now you can switch over to the next page. Here you want to enter your qualification detail. Enter the trade qualification. Enter your degree. Enter your college name. Enter the university name. Please select the year of passing. Please enter your degree certificate number. Please enter your marks obtained in your degree. Please enter the total marks. Now enter the 10th and plus 2 qualification details. Enter the 10th school name, board name. Please enter the year of passing. Please enter the marks obtained. Please enter the total marks. Please enter the certificate number. Enter the 12th school name. Enter the board name. Enter the year of passing. Enter the mark obtained. Total marks. Certificate number. Let's go to the next page. Please upload your photo which should be less than 500 KB. Please give the declaration and press the I agree option. Click the submit button.
You have successfully registered. After registration, this will appear. Now you can click the printout option to get a printout of the registration form. This is the registration form. Sign it and keep it with you. If you want to change your password, click this option. The selected candidate will be intimated through email or SMS.
Thank you.